All right, let's look at the 4.2, problem number 7. So you have an exponential function here. So exponential function is continuous and differentiable everywhere. So that it satisfies the hypotheses of the mean value theorem. All right, so let's find the c value here. All right, so if you take the derivative, f prime of x is going to be e to the negative x, and then multiplied by derivative of negative x will be negative 1, so I just put the negative sign here. So we know that f prime of c is negative e to the negative c power. Right, then difference quotient would be f of 2 minus f of 0 over 2 minus 0. So this is going to be e to the negative 2 minus e to the 0 is 1 over 2. Right? By setting these two guys equals to together, so you have negative e to the negative c is equal to e to the negative 2 minus 1 over 2. Right? First, I'm going to multiply by, or divide, doesn't matter, negative 1. So you have e to the negative c is equal to, so it's negative, so negative 1 becomes positive 1. E to the negative 2 becomes negative e to the negative 2 over 2. Right, then we can just take the natural log of both sides. So natural log cancel exponential function, so it's negative c is equal to natural log of 1 minus e to the negative 2 over 2. Right, then the last step is to get rid of the negative sign, so we can just divide through by negative 1 to get the c is equal to negative natural log of 1 minus e to the negative 2 over 2. Right, so let's type it in. Alright, so what we found was negative natural log of 1 minus e to the negative 2. This whole thing divide by 2, and that's that, right? So let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got the c value correctly. Alright, so let's find the correct picture. Alright, so if you look at the e to the negative x, so this blue curve looks like e to the negative x, but here these are not e to the negative x, so we eliminate the number 3 and number 4. And looks like we want the secant line to be parallel to the tangent line, so this is the correct picture. And the question is, are the secant line and the tangent line parallel? Answer is yes. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the correct picture, and the secant line and tangent line, they're parallel. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.